welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. This is the look I'm going to be showing you in today's video. Keep on watching. I'm going to start off applying my foundation, and I'm using the Rimmel Matte Perfection foundation in 100 Ivory. Next I'm just going to conceal using the Catrice Liquid Camouflage. And then I'm just going to set the concealer under my eyes with powder. This is a Ralo purple. It's quite old and very loose. But I'm just going to start off with some powder and use it as I would a contour. I'm also going to apply it on my collarbones. Using the same color, I'm just going to apply a wash over your eyes. Now here comes the fun part. This is weird. It's all over my eyes. Okay. I put a stocking over my head and I'm going to go with this colour. I'm pretty sure this colour is not what I want to do. As you can see, this side's a lot darker than that side. I used a big fluffy brush for that side and a small brush for that side. My bad. I just didn't like how intense the blue was, but now I have to just kind of live with it. Now I'm going over in a darker blue. And I'm using contrast from MAC. See what happened. Yeah, bit of extra color is fine on that side. And now I'm just going to, what am I going to do? I'm going to put this over the areas, somehow stretch it and just go in the collarbone also to create the effect. So the answer is quite obvious. I just put my arms in and now I can actually just do this. Now I'd like to finish off the eyes. I have this gel from NYX. As Killing It? Yeah, it's called Killing It. And I'm just going to apply that with my finger on the inner corner of the eye. Ooh, that is glittery. That was a lot more glittery than I thought. I don't know if you can see it. I'll zoom in slightly. I'm actually going up a bit too high, so I'm just going to use buffer. Just buff that in slightly, hopefully before it dries and sets. So I'm just going to apply this over here. So I obviously need a transitional color, I can't just go from there to there. So I'm going to be using, I think it's Parrot from MAC, it was one of their limited edition colors. And I'm just going to kind of smear that in there, smear it in. Back in with the original colour. I'm just going to fix up around the eyes. I'm just going in with a darker colour again, contrast from MAC. One last bit of shading over here. And then I'm going to finish it off with mascara and false lashes. While the eyelash glue is drying that I've put on the false lashes, I am going to be mixing some lip gloss with some glitter. Because I don't actually have glitter adhesive, so we make a plan. And I just want to apply that in spots that I feel need a bit more dimension on my face. I'm using a little eyeliner pen and Inglot pigment. First see what it does when it's dry. I think I need... you see it is pretty enough on its own. But let's see what happens if I mix it with a bit of... And we'll warn you, this pigment gets everywhere on your clothes, so do not wear your party outfit while you're doing this step. And I've still got some purple on this brush. I'm just going to add a smidgen more purple. And now I'm going to add my false lashes. So I did this off camera. I applied my false lashes and I applied the pattern from Diamante and little fake pearls. I just wanted to do something to finish it off completely. and I apply 2 little fake diamantes over there in between the eyes. So I can't believe I forgot to do my eyebrows. I quickly filled them in just with some Brow This Way from Rimmel. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I am in love with this look. It came out so much nicer than I ever thought it could be. Remember to subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up. See you guys next time. Bye!